Yesterday somebody asked about the Rezzimax and Tinnitus. This little piece of gold, the Rezzimax Tuner Pro and Tinnitus integrate well together. 2 years ago I sustained a vertebral artery dissection and my whole world overnight turned upside down. I was diagnosed with severe tinnitus and I had some horrendous symptoms. I had this really deep drilling right down in the middle of my brain, and it was like somebody with a jackhammer in there, and it just would not switch off. And when you try to describe that to somebody, they look at you like you're going crazy. That's how I felt. I thought, I can't go on living the way I was with this terrible noise in my head. I tried all sorts of different treatments and nothing worked. A few months later, I was able to get in contact with Sharrock and he sent me out a little tuner. He listened. It made a huge difference. As soon as I put it on my body, I knew that this is what my body needed. So we started off low and it wasn't enough for me. For about 3 months, I had the tuner on high constantly. So I would put it behind my neck, go back into the pillow. I would do the head massages, which I still do to today because it's my absolute favourite. Shenman, vagus nerve under here, humming on my chest, tummy, feet, you name it, I did it, own body. Today, 2 years later, I can honestly tell you that this is gold. This is the best little invention and I'm ever so blessed and thankful to Sharrock for it because I really do feel that it helped save my life.